Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to SGR class 4 mathematics. Today our topic is like and unlike fractions. Like fractions, the fractions are called as like fractions if their denominators are same. For example, 1 by 3, 2 by 3 and 4 by 3 have same denominators. As we can see that in all the three fractions the denominator is 3. So these are the like fractions. Here is an example of like fractions. We can see that in the first fraction the denominator is 4, and in the second fraction 2 by 4 the denominator is also 4, and in the third fraction the denominator is 4. So all three fractions have the same denominator. Now unlike fractions, the fractions are called unlike fractions if their denominators are not same or different. For example, 1 by 2, 2 by 3 and minus 4 by 5 do not have equal denominators, as we can see that in the first fraction the denominator is 2, and in the second the denominator is 3, and in the third one denominator is 5. Here is an example of unlike fraction. 1 by 2, the first fraction is 1 by 2, the denominator is 2, and in the second fraction the denominator is 3, and in the last third fraction the denominator is 4. As we can see, all the three denominators are different, so these are unlike fractions. Now there are two groups. In group 1 the denominator of each fraction is 5. As we can see that in group 1 all the fractions have same denominator, that is 5. And in the second group we can see that the denominators are different. In group 2 the denominator of each fraction is different. So the fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. Here we have some questions. Question number 1 is, state whether the following pairs of fractions are like or unlike. The first one is 7 by 2 and 4 by 9. As we can see that the denominator of the first fraction is 2 and the second fraction's denominator is 9. So these are unlike fractions. In the second one, 1 by 5 and 3 by 4. We can see that their denominators are different. The first denominator is 5 and the second is 4. And in the third one, the denominators are same, so these are like fractions. Next is 7 by 3 and 8 by 5. We can see that the denominator are different. So these are unlike fractions. And in the next one, 4 by 6 and 7 by 6. The denominators are same. That's why these are like fractions. And in the last one, 6 by 7 and 5 by 7. In both fractions, the denominators are same. So these are like fractions. Question number 2 is, write whether the following sets of fractions are like or unlike. Question number 1 is 6 by 9, 3 by 5 and 1 by 7. We can see that all the denominators are different, so these are unlike fractions. Next one is 8 by 3, 5 by 4 and 7 by 2. We can see their denominators are different, so these are unlike fractions. And in the last one, the denominators in all the three fractions is 11. So that's why these are like fractions. Next one is 2 by 3, 1 by 3 and 4 by 3. We can see the denominators are same in all three fractions, so these are like fractions. In the next one, 5 by 12, 1 by 12 and 3 by 12, we can see that all the denominators are same. So these are like fractions. And next one is 2 by 5, 5 by 2 and 9 by 4. We can see their denominators are different.